Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here, and in this video I want to show you how to create a pop-up form for your landing page as opposed to having the form like this. So let's say maybe it has like 5, 6, 7 elements, whatever, or maybe you don't like the way it looks over here. You want to free up a lot of space. Like for example, here the above the fold section has like a video background with a corgi, right? And it's all animated, so maybe you want people to kind of just visually that looks better than like this big ugly form on top of the video. So maybe you want to hide it under a button, right? They click on a button and then it pops up. So as opposed to doing this, we could be doing something else, which would be in the page builder. This works for the regular funnel pages, website pages, whatever. So I'm on just basic landing page. So we need to do a couple of things. We need to add an element called button. Obviously, that's going to be the button. That's going to be the pop-up. And we are over here, button. So let's just kind of slide it in here. And that's going to be when they click on it, what's going to be the action? It's going to be a link to a pop-up, right? On the right side over here, button actions, open pop-up. But where's the pop-up? So what do we do as we delete the form? We're not going to need this, right? So this is going to be connected to a pop-up. So let's find it above here, pop-up settings. And now let's delete the element. Let's start it again. Let's add an element, and the element is going to be a form. So let's drag it in, and the form will be whatever the form is. In this case, it was like lead gen form, right? It's the same form. So it's going to be popping up when you click on it. Let's click on publish. Let's go preview it. Let's see whether I set it up properly. Also, you can add like a headline over here as well. You can add like extra elements. Pop-up settings. So you can add, let's say, let's click on add elements, headline. I can just drag it up here. And drag it up here, right? You can just kind of put in your name and email to receive your freebie, right? Whatever the call to action is. So let's publish it and let's preview it. And let's see whether it will work. So obviously this section, this is the exit pop-up. So that's another thing we need to do. Click to sign up, right? Click on a button, it works. But you can see here, it just popped up by itself for no reason, right? So that could be all edited as well on the right side here. So you can see here, it says show pop-up on exit. So technically you can do that as well. You can have it as soon as someone hovers over the tabs over here, it pops up. So that works on desktop. On mobile, it doesn't work. But in this case, this is going to be none. So let's go test it out again, see if it pops up as we try to leave the page, just to show you the functionality. Right, so it doesn't pop up now, right? Nothing happened, but when they click on it, it pops up. So that's the functionality here on the side, or when should it pop up besides clicking on a button. And obviously you can change like the colors and width and margins and whatever else, right? You can change it all here. That's I guess here as well. Yeah, font sizing and whatnot. That's all in here. Border color, right? You want it to stand out. Let's do red, right? So it really sticks out now. You can make all these changes on the side for the pop-up. But the main idea is, add in a button, and then the pop-up itself is over here, pop-up settings, and you can add in the form there, just so the page is cleaner and the form doesn't doesn't always look as nice. So that's about it for this one. If you have any questions, click on down here, 24/7 chat support, pop-up forms, landing pages, anything else Funneltopia related. We're all ears. Just shoot us a quick message. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.